Imagine waking up to a normal day on Earth. The sun rises slowly over an ancient world, casting golden light across vast jungles and endless plains. Giant creatures roam freely. Dinosaurs, undisputed rulers of the planet, move without fear or hesitation. They do not know it yet, but this will be their final sunrise. Because far beyond the sky, something unstoppable is already on its way. For more than 165 million years, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. They survived violent volcanic eruptions, shifting continents, and dramatic climate changes. They endured events that would have wiped out lesser species. From gentle giants like Triceratops to fast, intelligent hunters like velociraptors, and the most feared predator of them all, Tyrannosaurus rex. This world belonged to them. The planet was alive and balanced. Dense forests covered the land. Rivers carved through valleys. Shallow seas teemed with life. There were no signs of collapse, no warning signals, no reason to believe that this powerful dynasty was nearing its end. But far beyond the blue sky and the cold darkness of space, something unstoppable was already moving toward Earth. A massive asteroid, nearly 10 kilometers wide, was racing through space at unimaginable speed. It had traveled for millions of years, silent and unnoticed. The dinosaurs never saw it. They never heard it. And they never had a chance to escape. When the asteroid struck the Earth, it hit with a force greater than billions of nuclear bombs combined. The impact vaporized rock instantly. The ground exploded outward. Shockwaves raced across continents, triggering massive earthquakes. The oceans rose in towering tsunamis that crashed into coastlines, sweeping everything in their path. In a single moment, the sky turned brighter than the sun itself. And then, the world began to burn. Molten debris was blasted high into the atmosphere and rained back down across the planet. Each falling fragment heated the air to extreme temperatures, igniting forests and grasslands instantly. Firestorms spread across continents. Entire ecosystems were erased in hours. Dinosaurs ran in panic through burning landscapes, but there was nowhere to hide. The heat was in the air itself. And when the fires finally faded, a deeper horror followed. Ash, dust, and sulfur filled the atmosphere, blocking out the sun. Day turned into darkness. Temperatures dropped rapidly. Plants died first. Unable to survive without light, herbivores soon followed, starving as vegetation vanished. And then came the fall of the great predators, the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex, once the apex hunter of Earth. Now wandered a frozen, silent world in search of food that no longer existed. The roars that once echoed across the land slowly faded. Footsteps disappeared, one by one. The rulers of Earth collapsed. Nearly 75% of all life on the planet was gone. This moment in history is known as the KPG Extinction event, the day the age of dinosaurs came to an end. A reign that lasted millions of years was erased in what was, but this was not the end of life on Earth. From the shadows, small survivors emerged. Tiny mammals, once hidden and insignificant, adapted to the new world. Birds, descendants of dinosaurs themselves, took to the skies. Life began again, reshaping the planet in ways no one could have imagined. Over millions of years, those survivors evolved. One lineage would eventually stand upright, look to the stars, and ask a dangerous question. What killed the dinosaurs? The truth is, dinosaurs did not die because they were weak. They did not fail to adapt. They died because the universe is unpredictable. The asteroid belt still exists. Space is still filled with wandering objects. And the Earth has been hit before. If it happened once, it can happen again. The planet remembers. The rocks remember. And the sky is always watching. If this story moved you, hit like, subscribe to stay curious, and share this video. because the past still has lessons for us all.